tutorial, I'm going to introduce the color palettes in iPhotoDraw. When you click on any of the color buttons, you'll see the color palettes in the drop-down. Normally, it shows the basic color palette. But besides that, iPhotoDraw also provides you a number of color palettes. It even allows you to create your own custom palettes. Let's see how it works. On this dialog, you'll see the color palettes. If you want to set one of them as the default one, just click on the default column. You'll see the trap icon. That means now this color palette is set to be the default. Let's see. Now on this drop down, it shows the color palette I just selected. Let's open up this dialog again. You may notice there's a check box here. Show color name on drop down. The color may have a name, and it also has a RGB value. So basically, what this checkbox means is it's going to show the color name and RGB value on the UI. Let's see. Now, if I move the mouse over the color, you'll see the color name and the RGB value are showing up on the UI. It just gives user information about the color he's going to select. The color palettes you are seeing here are actually system palettes. That means you cannot modify the color. So you'll find all these buttons are disabled. If you want to modify the color, you have to create the custom palettes. You can either create a brand new color palette, or you can extend the existing color palettes by using copy. Let's try copy. Now this is the custom palette, so I can add a color or delete a color or change the color. Now I'm going to create a brand new color palette. There's a button here, pick color. Let's say you find some color palettes on the internet, and now I'm going to bring in this color palettes into our system. Of course, you can enter the colors one by one, but that will be very cumbersome. If we click on the pick color button, now you can pick the color directly on the screen. Now I just click on the mouse. That will pick the color directly from the screen. To finish the operation, press Escape key on the keyboard. I delete this default color. You can give the color the name and set this color palette as the default. So it used the custom palette as the default palette now. And you can even export the color palettes or import the color palettes, and it's a very straightforward operation. I'm not going to go into the details of that. Thank you for watching this video.